Okay, guys, let's get hot, guys. For any of you guys who have ever used a login starter ad, I don't have to tell you how amazingly powerful and effective they can be for building your list. And so, as list builders, I know you guys are probably aware of the fact that the more leads and leads that you can generate, then obviously, because it's a numbers game, the more and the bigger, should I say, and faster you can grow your business. And so, guys, in today's video here, I'm talking to you guys about how you can start using starter and login ads, right, to generate traffic every single day. Okay. The login starter ads maximizer is a part of my big Bennett ads marketing strategy, 1 million ways to market. This is part of that series, which you guys are going to learn more about in a little bit. But right now, I want to talk to you guys about how you can start generating more leads and traffic every single day. And the way that we're going to do it, guys, is unlike how most people do it. We don't want to use these login and starter ads, although you can, and I'm sure a lot of you guys are doing it that way by presenting your biz op at the front door. Because when you understand the login starter ad, right, it's the very first ad that people see in the platforms that I'm going to show you guys quite a few of. Okay, I got a Rolodex. Okay, so we're talking about just login starter ads. So when you place your ads here, a lot of people like to lead with their business opportunity, which is fine in some instances. But in the login starter ad maximizer, guys, that's not how I do it, and that's not how I suggest you do it. And in fact, you can build your list probably bigger, faster using this strategy because it's built around traffic, right, and lead generation, and you can make money using the system I'm actually going to introduce you guys to. You can build your list. You can promote your primary biz op on the back end, which you're going to find out very shortly. Okay, well, so let's get into it, guys. Okay, so you guys came in through a capture page that looks exactly like this one, and I redirected you guys right back inside of my free login starter ad maximizer marketing system. Let me tell you guys right now, you can set this system up probably in less than the next 20 minutes, right? It's absolutely free to set the actual system up, and you can go out and do all the things I just talked about. You can start building your list built around traffic and lead generation. You can make money sharing this platform, which we're going to talk about shortly. And guys, you can market and promote whatever you want, right? So step one is you want to join affiliate program. It's called Leads Leap, guys. It's a great platform for building capture pages and sales pages and all types of phones. And we're going to talk about that. And you can join it absolutely free. So the first thing I want you guys to do is to click this button if you're not already a member of Leads Leap and join Leads Leap. Okay, it's going to take you over to the page. Well, let's just run over there and let me show you guys what you're going to do. That button will take you guys over to an actual page that looks exactly like this one. You're simply going to get your free membership right here on this button, guys. And when you do, you're going to log in, which I'm going to show you guys shortly, okay? Once you log in, I'm going to show you guys, right, the step two, right? Once you've upgraded to Pro, totally optional, very highly recommended. Why? Because as a pro member, guys, and I think it's $19 a month. Listen to this. As a pro member, you're going to receive free traffic from right here inside of Leads Leap. But I'm going to show you guys 1,000 other ways to use this login starter ads maximizer. So that's free traffic, right? You don't have to click for credits like you have to do in a lot of traffic exchanges or safe lists. You get 50% commissions as we start to build this team out, right? You get free referrals, right? And I've already started getting them. This is amazing. And of course, you got that page building capability. You can create unlimited capture pages, unlimited subscribers. Unlimited subscribers being what we want to really put our focus on, guys, because if you've been in internet marketing for any time, you know that most of your giants like Aweber and Get Response, they will charge you at different thresholds as your list begins to grow inside of those platforms. I.e., once your list hits, I think, over 2,500 people inside of Get Response and or Aweber, and other contact management autoresponders like them, then your price point changes in terms of the amount of money you pay every month. Well, that's not what's happening inside of Leads Leap, guys. You can build an unlimited list of subscribers at that pro level, and that's another reason you want to consider doing it. It's totally up to you, guys, if you want to actually become a pro or not. But let's get into how you can set this system up and how you can start using the Login Starter Ads Maximizer to get more leads, more traffic, starting right now today, guys, probably within the next hour, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to set up the lead capture page first, because this is how we're going to start building our list, right? We're building a list here, right? And so we're going to take that lead capture page that looks, you guys saw it. It looks just like this. You're looking at it. And you guys came to that page and you landed right here on this thank you page, on the bridge page, right? That's what this is. And so the first thing I'm going to do is walk you guys through setting up that lead capture page, because you can use a simple share code that I'm going to share with you guys that's right below this video. And you can pop that share code inside of what I'm going to show you in your Leads Leap members area. And this very same capture page, right, it will populate inside of your Leads Leap members area. Very convenient, very easy to do. I'm going to show you guys how to do it. And then next, guys, what we're going to do is we're going to talk about how to direct you guys back and get the actual share code for this page that you're on right now, which is simply a thank you page, a bridge page. This is where we're redirecting that capture page to when people give us their names and email addresses. And one thing, let me tell you this right now. We want to stop the people logging into these login starter ads dead in their tracks. Although these ads are going to be the first they're going to see anyway as they're logging in, we want to really grab their attention right at the beginning, right? And what we're talking about is dominating the starter login ad process. And so you're going to be able to stop a lot of those people cold in their tracks. They're going to read through your page, and because they're going to want to know more about how to get more traffic and leads, right? And, right, how they can earn, right, at the same time with a 100% free marketing system. I think we're going to find this very, very simple and easy to move, right? So let's get into the capture page, guys. So what I want you guys to do, if you haven't already, go ahead on and create your free Leads account. I want to jump back over there. I want you guys to do it. You can actually set up your account, follow along with me when you do. Very, very simple. Since I'm already a member, I'm going to log into my account and take you to the exact dashboard that you're going to see once you log in to your Leads Leap account. It's going to look exactly like mine, identical to this. And what you're going to do, guys, is you're going to come to what we call a page builder, okay? Because that's how we build those pages. And that's another great benefit, whether you're a free member inside of Leads Leap or a paid member, guys. You got all types of lead capture pages that you can create, all types of sales pages, thank you pages. I mean, the whole gambit. You can do it all from this platform, and you're going to find out in very short order how you can start doing this. And of course, guys, if you subscribe to me on YouTube, or if you're on my list now, watch your emails, and we're going to be covering all types of the other benefits of being a member of Leads Leap R, right? But right now, we're just talking about the actual page builder, because when we're inside the page builder, we can go to the page manager, right? And I'm going to click page manager. And that's where all of this magic is going to start to take place. And this is where you're going to be able to set this whole marketing system up, probably within the next 15 minutes. Okay, so let's talk about it, guys. So at the very bottom of this video, you're looking at it is a lead capture page share code. Right there, guys, okay, is a lead capture page share code. That share code, I'm going to show you guys how to do this. I'm going to take that share code, right, and I'm going to pop it when I go back to my Leads Leap members area. And I'm going to take that share code and use it, because the first thing you're going to do when you want to get that share code and have that capture page show up in your members area inside of your Leads Leap members area, you're going to click add a new campaign. And you're going to name that campaign, guys. Let's call it the Maximizer, okay? Call it something you can remember. So we're going to call it the Maximizer. That's the first step, is to add a name to this new campaign, and you're going to hit add new. It's just that simple, guys. I just added a new page. I'm calling it the Maximizer. It's the lead capture page. And then when I do that, guys, the next thing I want to do is come down here to add a new page to start. Once I do that, I can go to a blank page, which we're going to talk about later. This is where all those capture pages and lead capture pages and sales funnels. We're not doing that in this video. We're going to use the share code. Remember, we want to get this done as quickly as possible. So I'm going to take that share code that I copied for my capture page, and I'm going to copy it right in there, guys. And I'm going to hit import now. Now, once I've done that, guys, the next thing I want to do is make sure that when it comes down to the status, that this page says active. Because if it says active, guys, all we have to do is come back up to the new page that we created, click one of these buttons. If you're a pro, click this one. If you're not pro, click this one. And when you do, that page is now inside of your Leads, Leaps, Members area. Just that simple, guys. With a few clicks of your mouse in less than 2 minutes, you guys just stood over my shoulder and watched me do it. So now you have your own lead capture page to start using what this very same login starter ads maximizer strategy to dominate login and starter ads, right? Now, so we got that page set up, guys. So what do we want to do next? The next thing we want to do is set up the page that you're on right now, right? It's a splash page. People call it a thank you page. It's a bridge page. You can call it whatever you want to, guys, okay? But we want to redirect those people from that capture page back to this very same page, right? Very simple. And guess what? Once these steps are complete, guys, you're almost ready to go out here and start using the login starter ad maximizer. And I'm going to give you guys some resources to get started right now. But let's talk about that share code for the actual, I named it my login max bridge page. You can call it what you want, but we're going to use that same process. We're going to take that share code, okay? We're going to copy that share code. We're going to go back to our members area, and once again, what we're going to do, guys, we're going to create a new campaign, because that's always the process we use when we want to create a page or when we want to use a share code. So let's add a new campaign. Let's call this Maximixer 2, just for the sake of this example, and we're going to hit add now. Okay, once we've added now, guys, the next thing we want to do is go back down to the actual, you're in here now. You need to add a new page to get this started. So let's go down to add the page. Let's go over here to import the actual share code. I'm going to pop it in. Let's see if I got it. Okay, maybe I didn't get it. Maybe I didn't get it. Let's back up. Okay, so maybe now, let's see. Okay, got it now. Import now. Once I import it, guys, again, you want to look at this and make sure that the status is active. There's Maximizer 2. Let's click it and see if it, in fact, has imported our bridge page inside of the Leads Lead platform. How super powerful is that, guys? Just that simple. We're still under 8 minutes, guys, so bear with me. Okay, so now that we've got that done, guys, it's as simple as taking every single link inside of these pages, which in this instance is just Leads Leap, right? And you're going to make sure that you take your Leads Leap affiliate link and put it here. Why? Because people are going to start joining you inside of this platform, guys. And when they do, whether you're a pro or whether you're free, you're going to start earning commissions. I said you guys can start building your list. I said you can start doing it with simplicity, ease, and speed. I said we could dominate the login ads, right? That's what I said, guys. We could dominate the login ad using this lead capture page, start building a list, start making money at the same time. And we're not even finished, guys, just in terms of where you guys and how you guys are going to be able to hit the ground running with at least 3 resources I'm going to show you just right now that you can start using to start blasting this same capture page all over the place, right? So I went on and took the liberty of adding some great places to go and start placing login ads. Now, these particular sites that I got here, guys, are also great for any kind of traffic, both free and paid. You're not going to break the bank. We're focusing on the login ad, but remember, when you go into these platforms, take a look around, right? Spend a little bit of time, right? We're talking about building our business, guys, and we're talking about building it with simplicity, ease, and speed. But before we get into that, just let me tell you this before we actually start showing you guys how to hook up your affiliate links to this page. Let me tell you guys another thing you're going to be able to do when you start using this strategy. I said we do not want to necessarily lead with our primary biz op. But guess what, guys? Your primary biz op, you get to change down here too, whatever you want it to be. I'm going to show you guys how to do it. You guys are welcome to come over to my actual Big Bennett as marketing strategy. I'm going to show you guys how you can earn by starting to do that. Just a few share codes away out. You guys can actually get into that absolutely free. And I'm going to show you guys, these are just two of my bonus back-end products that I promote inside of this strategy, okay? So you guys get to find out my primary biz op. And some of these links might not be what they are now, because if you're not on my page, they will change according to whoever's sending you to this page. But no, we're building one team, guys, and we can make a lot of good money doing it and doing it this way. So again, remember, you're going to be promoting your primary biz op right down here in this section, or whatever you want. Or if you just want it to stay the same, that's fine too. And you'll see, guys, we even got a little swipe here for you when we get into running those ads. You're going to get to personalize your page down here at the bottom. By the way, if you guys have questions about anything, you can contact me at my email address below. Very simple. It's all in automation, and we're almost there, guys. Okay, so now, guys, the next thing that we want to do is we want to go back into the editor, because we make sure that we got these pages, but now these pages have to be able to talk to each other, right? They have to be connected. So what we want to do is make sure that our actual lead capture page, which is Maximixer 1, right, is connected to our bridge page, right? The landing page, the thank you page, the splash page, whatever you want to call it. We want to make sure that the lead capture page takes our prospects right back to the page that we're on right now, if that makes sense. So what you're going to do, guys, is you're going to go back into your actual page builder and the page manager. And what we're going to do now, guys, is we're going to go to launch the editor. Why? Because when you launch the editor, guys, this is where you get to personalize those pages. This is where you get to edit those pages. This is where you get to build out a completely different funnel, if you like, or do whatever's clever, whatever you want to do. But you have to launch the editor to start that process. And so we're going to go to the actual page to make sure that we're on the right page. You guys are following along. And it's a very, very simple process to connect these two pages together to start building our list. Oh, wow. This computer, what time is it? It's not even 10 o'clock at night and my computer's asleep, guys. Can you believe that? Or maybe it's me. I'm always moving at the speed of sound. Anyway, once that page populates, guys, you'll see, there it is. But over here off to the right is where all of the editing takes place. Any type of editing you want to do to this particular page, it will, in fact, be done inside the editor once you launch the editor on the right-hand side. For these fields, anything you click right here, you'll see where I'm clicking. You'll see that when I click certain places, over here it populates, which means you can go inside of these blocks, do any editing that you want to do. I just want you guys to do that. You can edit everything right down to the videos, but that's not what this video is about. This is already set up for you guys, so just stick with me and follow along. This is your actual bridge page, the thank you page, the page that we're redirecting after people log into our capture page. So what we want to do is make sure that our affiliate link inside of Leads Leap is actually on this button. So when we start sharing this system with other people, we will get the credit for it. Now you see when I click Leads Leap, if you look off to the right over here, right, this is where we want to put the page we want people to redirect to. Our affiliate link for Leads Leap. I'm clicking inside the box, guys. You can see right here where I'm clicking, right inside the box on the right. That's my Leads Leap affiliate link. That's the link that I want in here. That's the link you guys want to go back over to your page manager or to your members area inside of Leads Leap. Scroll all the way down until you get to affiliate links and tools. Click affiliate links and tools, and right at the top of this page, there goes your Leads Leap affiliate link. And what you're going to do, guys, is you're going to take that Leads Leap affiliate link. Let's get out of these pages because we don't need them. And we're going to make sure we're inside of the editor. And we're going to pop it right inside here. Mine's is already in there. There's no reason for me to put it in there again, right? But if you guys want me to, I will do it. Okay, so let me come out of here. I'm going to put paste. And okay, let's see. Now, oh wow, okay. Let me go grab it again, guys. I should have just left well enough alone. But nope, that's not me. I have to do things the other way. So anyway, here we are. Let's go back. Let's paste it. And I think it is, in fact, or it will be soon, inside. And there it goes. Come up to the very top. Make sure that you save. The system is going to let you know that those changes have, in fact, been saved. You hit OK. And make sure, I usually do it twice just to make sure. Boom. Now, your Leads Leap affiliate link is now the Leads Leap affiliate link your potential prospects are going to go to. And you're going to get credit for that when they join you inside of Leads Leap. Now that we've got our page right there hooked up, guys, let's talk about anything else you might want to promote if you want to promote it. You could always come down here and change these banners out to some of your favorite ad sources, right? You could always do that by clicking on the actual banners. And over here again, we're in the editing field, so you just click in there and you can go in here and make any type of changes you want, from the images to banners. I can tell you these are 468 by 60s, so make sure you know you're paying special attention to that. But any editing you want to do, you can edit them by simply launching the editor, coming down to the fields you want to edit, and making the necessary changes as you edit. And remember, the same holds true for your business opportunity. Whatever your business opportunity is, your primary business, take the time, guys. Click on the link, go inside, and redirect wherever you want to, guys, inside of that block, right? Hit save. And any changes you make, wherever you want to redirect these fields down here to, these buttons will, in fact, redirect to your desired destination. Wherever you want to send these people who are joining you, who are joining us inside of this incredible platform, use this page to trick it out and do whatever you want to do. From the traffic sources right down to your primary biz op or whatever else you want to promote on the back end. That's all of the editing you have to do on this page, except for when you come down to the very bottom, put your name and your email address. How do you do it? You click, and if you come over here to the right, look where I am, guys, over here to my right here, you will see where I'm highlighting. This is where you make any changes. Just type what you want in there in terms of your name and your email address. Again, hit save. The system will let you know when those changes are saved. Hit OK. And now, guess what, guys? You are now ready. So the next thing you're going to do now, guys, we're probably 2 minutes away. The next thing we want to do, let's get out of some of these pages that we don't need. We're going to keep that up. I'm going to keep that up. Now, we're going back. Let me get out of some of these other pages. We're going back into the editor. And when we go into the editor this time, we're going to the lead capture page. We were just on the bridge page, right? But now we're going to the lead capture page. So what are we going to do? We're going to come down to, I'm going to my lead capture pages, guys. I know you guys see me hit test. So let me show you guys a little trick. These pages you are creating are listed. You can access them by the date they were created. You can access them by the last visit, which I'm going to do right now. It'll take me back to the last page when I actually refresh the screen. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. When I refresh the screen, now I'm going to go back into my page manager, and I'll show you guys how, in fact, when I do that, the last page I was on will actually populate if I hit the last visit. And so you'll see that Maximixer 2, which is the bridge page, it populates. It was the last page I visited. And you can do that all day and night if you want to get easy access to your pages, the ones you're creating as you start to create them. And you can even go by the date. We're not doing that. So anyway, that's the bridge page. We've already done all the editing that we need to do on that. So now we're going to come to the actual second page, guys, which is where actually Maximixer 2 is the actual bridge page. I mean, it's the actual, that's the actual capture page. Let's click. And it is a little slow sometimes. Or what it was, okay, so we're good. So Maximixer 2, I just named it that for this example. And so that is in fact, let's go back to page manager. That is in fact the page that we were just on because I just did the editing to it, right? So let's go back to, oh, I'm on stats, guys. Let me get out of here real quick. There's so many tools in here, by the way. You guys are just going to absolutely love this platform. I mean, absolutely love it because it's everything that you could possibly need when it comes to building your business in one place, right? So let's go back to last, not created, last visited, if I can get it. Okay, we know the last visit was Maximizer 2 because that was the bridge page. So now we're going to go to Maximizer 1, which should be our capture page. And I'm going to go to that capture page. And now I'm going to show you guys how to connect, right? How to connect. Let's get out of some of these other pages. How to connect this thank you page. Or should I say, let's go out of here too. We want to make sure this page redirects to this page. And so you're going to pull up your page so you're ready, right? Like I'm pulling up mine. Pull up your page, right? And then go back into the actual page manager to your capture page this time, right? To your capture page this time, guys. In my instance, for this example, is Maximizer, not 2, but 1. And then we're going to go launch the editor. Because when we get inside of here, now what we're going to be able to do is take the redirect field and take that same code that I just showed you guys, that same page, your landing page, your thank you page, and we're going to connect it. But not this time when we edit, guys. This time we're going to go to the left-hand side. If you guys look over here to the left-hand side, you'll see templates, you'll see list, you'll see background, you'll see all the things that I see right here, guys. And what you're going to do is click list. When you click list, this is where the redirect takes place. You're simply going to take that bridge page, the URL, and you're going to, where we're going to go. You're going to pop it. I'm going to show you guys where to pop it. Now, I got a list in here, by the way, and I'm going to show you guys later on how to create your first list because you want to be building a list. So I put the list ID in there. But if you look right here, it says redirect URL. That means immediately after a person logs in, we're going to paste, right? Lead. Now I got my leads lead affiliate link, but we're gonna take our bridge page. This page, this is the page we want. We're gonna take that bridge page so it connects to that actual capture page. So we're gonna pop it right in there, right? And then over here on the top right, guys, follow me. Over here on the top right, follow me. Hit save. The work has been saved. Okay, so now guys, guess what? When I go back to my actual members area inside of Leads League, and if I were to pull up my lead capture page, let's go, let me show you guys something real quick. We're going to refresh the screen. I'm going to go back into the actual page builder, and we're going to go back down to the actual page manager, and I'm going to show you guys exactly the page because we're going to go with the last visit. I was on the capture page, right? And so you'll see it's Maximizer 1, which is my capture page inside this example. And now, guys, when I pull this page up, if I were to go to test this page and put my name and my email inside, which I strongly suggest you guys do too, then that page, my lead capture page for the login starter ad Maximizer, will redirect right back to my actual bridge page inside of the starter ads maximizer, the login starter ad maximizer. And guess what? You guys are completely finished. You now got a 100% free automated marketing system you can go out and use to build your list. You can actually make money through this funnel, guys. If you actually upgrade, you might want to consider doing that. It's only $19.99 a month. Remember, you get 50%. And these guys are bringing people in. I don't know where they're coming from, but they're bringing them in because that's something that they do. They actually give you free referrals. You guys know that we've hooked up that capture page. I showed you guys how to use the share codes and get it. And now you got this capture page going to this landing page. You tricked out all the other buttons with any traffic building resources you want to add on your page. You I strongly suggest, I implore you guys to put your primary biz ops in here and anything else that you want. And now, guys, like I said, we are now ready to implement the login starter ads maximizer. Now, inside of my 1 million ways to market, which you guys will find out a little bit more about under the button for my tabs for my primary biz ops and some of the other things I do. One of the things that I market and promote is my 1 million ways to market. And what that is, guys, is wow, it's a whole suite. It's a membership that I actually put together, and you guys are just going to get access to even more leads and traffic. And then you get to make money moving that membership as well, because I give you guys 100% just for sharing with other people. You can find out more about that on the button below. Get your login starter ad maximizer set up, guys, and let me show you one last thing that you want to do if you want to hit the ground running right now today. Okay, so right here at the bottom, or just before I get to my top recommendations, you guys are going to see that I got a download builder and some traffic sources. You can use any of these sources, guys, right? Any of these sources to place login ads. Now, you can use these very same sources to place any number of ads. Let's just go over here and look at it, guys. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. I'm going to click one. You get to click it the same way. This is instant ad power. This is just one of the many different places you can go to start placing login ads, guys. We want quick, we want fast, we want simple. Simplicity, ease, and speed is what we want. And using this strategy, you can go into a platform like Instant Ad Power, with just one of many. Like I said, we'll talk about more of those in my actual login, starter ad, maximizer, Rolodex. But let's log in and let me show you guys what you would do when you set up an account. I'm at the front door of my account. I'm going to actually go ahead and log in. You guys will be able to set up an account when you click. Now, what you're seeing really is a login ad in essence, but this is administrative, and I'm logging into my actual Instant Ad Power account. I'm going to scroll all the way down and say no thanks, because I just want to get to where you guys can start placing your very own ads. And there'll be a little countdown timer at the top. You guys may or may not be able to see it up here. You'll see it's down to 1 now. At that time, guys, there'll still be a lot of there'll be some other login ads. That's what this is. Here's the deal. If Russell Brunson can use this particular traffic resource, you should be using it too, guys. Believe me, it's a gold mine hidden in plain sight, these login starter ads. As you can see, Russell Brunson, or an affiliate of his, is using the exact same platform, and that login ad is one of the ads we're seeing as we're logging in. I'm going to go ahead on and log into my members area. You do that right up at the top if you guys are following along, and you'll see it's going to actually take me through another login ad, guys. I think some of this is administrative, but you kind of get the gist of what a login ad is actually about. And I want to get to my members area, and so I think I can do it. I can hardly see because it's in blue, right? You are ready. Let me see. Can I try? Let me try it again, guys. Okay, so in fact, I am inside of my members area. There I am, guys. Yours truly. That's me, Marlon Bennett, right? Now, once you're inside of your members area, guys, it's as simple as coming over you on your dashboard. Once you're inside your members area, come down here to ads. You're going to see a lot of great advertising inside here, guys, so get ready. Anyway, we want to go to the login ad. I'm going to click login ad, and it's going to take me over to the login ads. Now, here's the thing about the login ads I want you guys to understand before I close this video out. They go fast, right? June and July are some of the slower months of the year when it comes to advertising. A lot of people vacation, doing a lot of kind of cool stuff, you know, whatever it is. This is a great time to get in and start placing some of these login ads. They start posting way out in advance, guys. We're looking at July now. You can see June's already gone, but so is the month of June. But as of this recording, all of July is open, right? It's all open, guys. That means if it's in green, you just click the day that you want to place your login ad. You can see, guys, I placed quite a few over the years. This is absolutely one of the most effectively, it's got me blown. And especially when we get into the actual login ads Rolodex, because I got source after resource after resource after resource that you guys can actually go and just start placing login ads. And remember, you want to click the date that you want. When you do that, it's going to populate and ask you to pay for that actual July 1 must have been the date that I clicked. And if you want to pay, guys, you would go on and click and pay. Once you do, what will happen is in milliseconds, one of these spots is going to clear up. And when you go back and refresh your screen, there'll be a blank spot. Like I'm gonna go ahead, I can't edit, but there'll be a blank spot, and this is where you will put your URL. In this instance, your login starter ad maximizer lead capture page, right? So it's a simple placing ads, placing login ads is as simple as that, guys. And using the login ad maximizer, guys, just starter login maximizer, it's going to get you a lot further along, a lot faster. And the way we got this design is actually going to give you an unfair advantage. So make sure you check out everything on the page. Make sure to get back to me or the person that sent you to this page. Anyway, whoever it was will get credit as the newest Leads Leap member on our team, just like you will when people start joining you. And we can make this thing happen relatively fast. So get hot, guys. Let's make it happen, and I'll see you guys on the next video.